Counting of VVPAT ballot slips. Disclaimer: this training material is for use in training of election officials. It should not be referred as guideline of ECI. In case of any variance in this training material, the Commission guidelines, rules, laws shall prevail. Learning outcomes. At the end of the session, the participants will be able to explain the importance of mandatory verification of VVPAT paper slips, understand the procedure of counting of VVPAT paper slips, familiarize with different types of forms and formats. Mandatory verification of counting of VVPAT slips. For mandatory verification of VVPAT paper slips, 5 polling stations of each assembly segment or assembly constituency will be randomly selected, and VVPAT paper slips will be counted and matched with the result displayed by the control unit. The polling stations whose paper slips have already been counted due to non-display of result from control unit, or whatsoever be the reason, will not be included for randomization for that purpose. Random selection of 5 polling stations per AC or the assembly segment will be done by draw of lots by the returning officer in presence of observer, candidates and their agents. Draw of lots shall be conducted after the completion of last round of counting of votes by the control unit. Intimation to candidates. Written intimation will be given by the returning officer to candidates or their agents. The verification count of these 5 randomly selected VVPATs shall be done sequentially, one by one. Draw of lots. White colored paper cards of postcard size shall be used for conducting the draw of lots. Total number of postcards shall be equal to number of polling stations in the AS or AC. The paper cards will have a pre-printed AC number and name, date of poll at the top, polling station number in the center, having the size 1 inch by 1 inch in black color. The paper cards shall be folded in such a way that the polling station number is not visible. After showing to the candidates, paper cards shall be kept in a container and 5 cards will be picked by the returning officer. VVPAT counting booth. One of the counting tables inside the counting hall shall be earmarked by the returning officer as VVPAT counting booth for counting of VVPAT paper slips. Pigeonhole framework. For keeping VVPAT paper slips of the respective candidates, a pigeonhole framework shall be prepared in advance according to the number of candidates including nota, with one additional pigeonhole for keeping self-test slips of the VVPAT. The pigeonhole structure should be made by sturdy transparent material like plastic etc., having a fixed base to prevent any VVPAT paper slip from slipping underneath. The symbol of each contested candidate as per the ballot paper should be affixed on the wall of the pigeonhole allotted to the particular candidate. The symbol should be printed in black and white on a plain paper of minimum size 4 inch by 3 inch. At least 100 rubber bands for making bundles of 25 VVPAT paper slips shall be provided. The plastic box and pigeonhole is shown on the screen. VVPAT slips counting in case of replacement of VVPAT at a polling station. In case a VVPAT unit was replaced during the poll at the polling station, all the VVPAT units used at that polling station should be brought for the counting. VVPAT slips counting procedure. Check the inactiveness of the sealing of VVPAT carrying case. Unpack the carrying case and take out the VVPAT unit with its connecting cable. Check for the inactiveness of the sealing of the VVPAT ballot compartment, paper roll compartment and battery pack compartment. Open the sealing of the ballot unit compartment and take out the entire printed paper slips from the compartment. Ensure the emptiness of the ballot slips compartment. The VVPAT paper slips should be segregated one by one and put in respective pigeonholes after showing each slip to the counting agents. self-test reports shall also be segregated and put in a separate pigeonhole provided for the purpose. Bundles of 25 VVPAT paper slips of respective candidates shall be prepared for counting purpose. In case a VVPAT unit was replaced, it may so happen that an uncut fully or partially VVPAT paper slip is hanging and has not got cut and dropped in a drop box. Uncut voter slip should not be counted because the vote is not recorded electronically in the control unit unless the VVPAT paper slip is cut. In case two VVPATs are used in a polling station, in respect of those polling stations where more than one VVPAT were used, is required to be done. In such case, VVPAT paper slips of each VVPAT will be counted separately, one by one, and result of each VVPAT will be entered separately. The format of Form 17C Part 2 for recording the votes counted by the VVPAT paper slips is shown on the screen. The result of the count of VVPAT paper slips shall be announced loudly in the counting hall and shown to the counting agents. In case discrepancy between EVM and paper slip occurs, Rule 56D. As per the Rule 56D of the Conduct of Election Rule 1961, if there is any discrepancy between the EVM count and paper slip count, the paper slip count shall prevail. The result sheet will be amended as per the printed paper slips count. After completion of counting of VVPAT paper slips, the bundles of all the VVPAT paper slips shall be kept in the drop box of the respective VVPAT, and door of the drop box shall be sealed using address tag. The candidates or their agents may also be allowed to affix the signature with party abbreviation on the address tags. VVPAT slips counting in case of control unit failure. At the time of counting of votes by the control unit, in case control unit does not display result, it should be kept back in the carrying case and be kept in the custody of the returning officer. After completion of counting of votes from all the control units, the paper slips of those VVPATs will be counted whose control units are not showing the result. In such a case, a report will be sent to the Commission and the format is shown on the screen. In this educational video, we have learned about the VVPAT paper ballot slips counting. If you have any doubt or want any clarification, then you can contact through the mail as shown on the screen. For other videos on rules and regulations, you can visit the web address as shown. Thank you.